Thank you, Honourable Speaker, sir, and I wish to thank the Honourable Member for the question. Mr. Speaker, sir, I am pleased to update Parliament on what the Ministry is doing to make sure all sectors, including the 10 sectorial industries, are following the minimum wage rate. Speaker, sir, increasing the minimum wage is important, but it only makes a real difference if employers actually follow the law. That is why the Ministry has focused strongly on enforcement and compliance. Mr. Speaker, sir, we have increased the number of workplace inspections across the country. Our labour inspectors are actively visiting businesses in all divisions, especially in sectors where non-compliance is more common, such as retail, security, construction, hospitality, and the 10 sectorial industries. Mr. Speaker, sir, from 2023 January to 30th March 2026, we have carried out 10,000 inspections and workplace checks. This helped us to make sure employers are paying correct wages. Second, Mr. Speaker, sir, we have strengthened our workplace audits. Employers are required to show proper records such as pay slips, contracts, and timesheets. If we find that workers are being underpaid, we act immediately. The Speaker, sir, as a result, over 4 million has been paid back to workers who were not paid correctly. Mr. Speaker, sir, we are taking strong legal action against employers who do not follow the law and are repeat offenders. Around 458 cases against employers have been taken to the Employment Relations Tribunal for failing to comply with the minimum wage. This shows that we are serious about protecting workers in all sectors. Mr. Speaker, sir, we have also made it easier for workers to report problems. They can now make complaints in person, by phone, or online through our website chat application. We make sure that their identity is protected so that they can come forward without fear. So far, more than 2,200 complaints have been resolved. Mr. Speaker, sir, we are also raising awareness. We are reaching out to workplaces to explain the new wage rates and also through media campaigns, ensuring that both employers and workers understand their rights and responsibilities. At the same time, we are supporting businesses, especially small and medium ones, by helping them adjust to the new wage rates while keeping their businesses running. Mr. Speaker, sir, because of these efforts, we are seeing better compliance across all sectors, including the 10 sectorial industries. More workers are now receiving the pay that they are entitled to. Speaker, sir, I want to make it clear that this government is committed to ensuring that every worker is paid fairly. We will continue to enforce the law so that no employer ignores the minimum wage. Thank you, Mr. Speaker, sir, for the opportunity.
I thank the Honourable Agni Singh, Minister for Employment, Productivity